So owners of the DJI Mini 3 Pro that are using this controller will of course noticed over the past couple of days there has been a bit of an issue loading the maps, and whilst I try to be really technical on my channel and provide really useful solutions and well thought out solutions, I've drawn a bit of a blank on this one, and this is the reason why. So basically, even though many of you have been reporting issues with maps on this drone and controller combination after the latest firmware update, it's been quite difficult for me to try and figure out a solution, quite frankly, because I haven't been having this issue. Now, as you can see on screen, I've been flying my DJI Mini 3 Pro all over. I've had the maps working absolutely fine with no issues, so it's been quite hard for me to try and come up with a tangible solution to what I think might actually work. Now, I'm not entirely sure what might have happened at DJI, whether somebody's just accidentally flicked the switch or kicked out the plug or something like that, but it is certainly clear that many of you have been reported in the comments that the maps are not working. So what I'm going to do is I have been consulting with quite a few people to try and get to the bottom of this. So hopefully I'm going to try and explain a couple of steps, and often as we find the simplest solution is usually the best one. So let's try and talk about exactly what I want you to do, and hopefully this will fix your map problem. So after the latest firmware update with this controller, I have noticed a couple of things. Firstly, I have noticed that it is taking that fair bit longer to connect to your wireless network or Wi-Fi hotspot from your phone or tablet. Now, this is something I've noticed, and on this little test I did earlier, it took around 45 seconds, which of course is an eternity when you want to get your drone up in the air, before it even picked up the Wi-Fi network or even connected to it, even though of course it was saved. Now, recently DJI added the feature that when you took off with your Mini 3 Pro, it would actually disable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and this was designed to improve your signal. But the issue with that is, sadly, even when you land, it doesn't put it back on automatically. It is a manual process where you need to swipe down on your screen and enable Wi-Fi again. So that is actually one of the first things I want you to do. Now you've got to that stage, I have also noticed that for some bizarre reason my flight logs are taking absolutely forever to sync on this device. Sometimes it's syncing okay, sometimes I'm completing a 25-minute flight, for example, and then I'm actually landing and still my profile shows no flight. There has also been a small issue as well where if you go into your flight logs, it's just not loading and crashing. And for me, as far as I'm concerned, this is a bit of a telltale, because if it's taking that long to just sync your flight logs, it could well be taking that long to actually download the maps after the firmware update, because of course they will need to recache onto the device again. So, quite frankly, the simplest solution, I know it's not very technical, I know I try to provide more informative answers and solutions on this channel, but from what I've seen, the easiest way to actually get this to work is to actually connect to your Wi-Fi network or hotspot, turn your drone on. Yes, you will waste a bit of battery, but the simple solution is to just leave it a little bit longer, maybe 5 or even 10 minutes, for it to download all of the data it needs. And what will also help as well, again, the quicker connection you have, it will download them quicker and you will have a full map functionality. But what will also help is just zooming into the area with which you are flying will also prompt it to download that bit a little bit quicker. Now, I do try to advise much more technical solutions on my channel, as I've just mentioned, but it does seem that in this case the solution is to check that your Wi-Fi is turned on this controller. Make sure you are actually connected to your Wi-Fi hotspot, because that has been taking a fair bit longer, and then very simply just leave it plugged in, leave it connected, and eventually the maps will actually open up. And one thing I've noticed as well is regarding the issue when it comes to the syncing the flight logs and it not syncing as quick as what it did. If we go into our profile and then cache, if we actually clear the cache, you can see that once I've done that, it's going to re-download the information again. Of course, make sure you are connected to a wireless hotspot or Wi-Fi network to do this. And I noticed that on both of these screens, the actual flight logs synced almost immediately. So hopefully that is providing a bit of a better solution for you, for those that are finding that your flight logs are not syncing correctly. Clear the cache and then hopefully that will resolve that issue. Now, of course, I always love feedback, so if this does fix it for you, please do let me know in the comment section below. But if you did find this useful, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're awesome, and see you again soon.